We all have many goals in life and a lot of things to do every day. But most of us end up the day saying, I didn't get much time today, we'll do it tomorrow. And we all very well know that tomorrow never comes. Like when you're working with 2 3 clients in a day, we don't really realize how much time we are giving to one particular work and end up piling more work for tomorrow. So, here we are going to discuss a very simple yet effective time tracking platform, Toggle. So, this is how the homepage looks like. As you can see in Toggle, you can plan, track, and hire. However, tracking is most widely used when we opt for Toggle. So, let's get started with time tracking by logging in. I have already done the easy sign up process, which you can do directly by signing up with Google account or iOS account. I will just log in directly. So this is what the dashboard looks like. By default, it opens the timer interface for you. To better understand the tracking process, let's start by making a client. As you can see, I have already made 2 clients. Now let's make the third one by the name Thomas. From here, you can edit the name directly. Let's go to projects now. See, I have already made 2 projects here, lead generation and video editing for 2 different clients. Now let's make a new one and change its color for better differentiation. I am assuming to do this project for Thomas, so I have selected Thomas as the client here. So it has created the database management project, however there is nothing in it when you open as we haven't done anything on it yet. So let's go to timer now. I'm writing a task by the name datasheet 1 and turn on the timer for 4-5 seconds. Now you can see it has added the task into today's work list and I'm adding it to the project database management. So we have added 2-3 projects. Let's click on reports now. Here you can easily track how much time you have given to one particular client through this percentage pie chart. It's very easy to interpret because of the color codings used. You can also apply a filter here. So we have selected 2 clients here. And here it also shows the time devoted in percentage to each of them. You can also download the report of your time track for future use. To use Insights, you need to take a paid version of Toggle. You can also add team members into your projects. It is very helpful to track time collectively when you have added team members in a project. For better search, you can add tags to your project as well. Let's add a tag data2 for example. Now I can go to timer and add the tag to database management project and make it ready for better search when you do a lot of projects. Apart from this, you get the option to import your own track files or export the ones which you made here. To make it more handy, you can use it as a mobile app or a desktop app. You can also add more workspaces for better management. So you see, it is very easy to use and with lots of features for free. Now you're good to go and explore Toggle. Thank you so much.